we are going to discussing something about 8th standards geography. In that section, today we are going to learning something about chapter 1 called the Earth, our living planet. The Earth, our living planet. The Earth, our living planet. See, this is the unit today we are going to discussing. Under that, as a subunit, dear students, today we are going to learning names of the different names of the earth and the size of the earth and distribution of water on it and continents and oceans of the world. See, these are all the several things today we are going to learning. Names of the earth. Names of the earth. And also we know something about another aspect, the size of the earth. The size of the earth. The size of the earth and distribution of water on it. And distribution of water on it. See, another one is continents and oceans of the world. Continent and oceans of the world. See, dear students, these are all the several aspects of today's class. Yes, today we are going to learning on names of the earth. I mean different names of the earth and the size of the earth and the distribution of water on it and continents and oceans of the world. See, these are all the several aspects that today we are going to discussing. Okay, dear students, I am going to asking one question to you. Please listen to the question carefully and try to answer it later. Okay? Do you know where we are living? Shall I repeat my question once again? Do you know where we are living? Yes, definitely. We are all living on the earth. Is it right? Yes, definitely. No doubt about it. We are all living on the earth. It is the third planet from the sun. We are living on the earth. We are living on the earth. This is the third planet. Third planet from the sun. From the sun. That is earth. In the solar system, this is the third planet from the sun. And the earth is the home for all different forms of life. It is a home for earth is a home for different lives. Different lives. This is the specially home for animals, plants and human beings. Animals, plants and human beings. See, dear students, all these lives are living on the earth only. And later on, why all these lives are because of Earth's suitable distance from the sun. It was the suitable distance from the sun. See, that was the major thing, that animals, plants and human beings are living on the earth. And another thing is that the range of temperature, that is also very important. The range of temperature, the correct temperature only we can observe on the earth only. In any another planets there is no suitable atmosphere and temperature for the beautiful life of animals and plants and human beings. Only the planet, that was the earth. That's why there is a beautiful temperature. And life supporting gases are there. Life supporting gases like oxygen, like that, hydrogen, oxygen, such kind of supporting gases are available on earth itself. And another thing is suitable atmosphere and water facility. Suitable atmosphere and water also. See, these are all the several aspects available on the earth only. That's why our earth is called as many names. Our earth is called by many and many names. Some of them, that is living planet. That is living planet. Living planet. Living planet. Jivanta Graha. And another one is unique planet. Unique planet. See, this is the another name for Earth. And watery planets. And watery planet. And also another name, that is blue planet. See, dear students, these are all the different names of the earth. Have you got my point? Our earth had different types of names. Among them, it is called as living planet, and it is called an unique planet, and watery planet, and blue planet. See, such kind of different types of names have our earth. Our earth have all these different types of names because of these features. Which are the features? Number one is, it is the third planet from the sun, and it is a home for different types of lives like animals, plants and human beings. And our earth situated in the position of suitable distance from the sun, and our earth have the correct range of temperature, and it has life support gases like oxygen, nitrogen, such kind of life supporting gases are there, and it has suitable atmosphere for plants and animals and human beings, and have suitable water cycle. So all these things, that our earth have different types of names. They are living planets, unique planets, and different type of names our earth have. See, please write down all the points. See, our earth have different names. Among them, it is living planet, called unique planet, called watery planet, blue planet, because of these several aspects. Number one is it is located in third planet from sun. It is a home for different types of lives like animals, plants, and human beings. It is located at suitable distance from the sun. The range of temperature good, and here we can feel that life supported gases and a good atmospheric condition, and it has a water cycle. That's why earth have different types of names, and also only we can observe only life things on the earth only, not in any other side. See dear students, these are the several aspects of different names of the earth. Are you understand all those things? Yes. After the completion of the names of the earth, now we are going to move the size of the earth and distribution of water on it. Distribution of water on it. See, dear students, distribution of land and water bodies. The earth is the fifth largest planet in the sun's family. Earth is fifth largest planet in sun's family. Are you understand all those things? See dear students, our earth is fifth largest planet in the solar system, and the diameter of the earth is approximately 4 times greater than the moon. Approximately Earth's diameter is 4 times greater than moon. See, this is the another thing about the size of Earth. Dear students, Earth is fifth largest planet in the solar system, and Earth's diameter is 4 times greater than the moon, and approximately, okay, 4 times greater than the moon, and it is around 107 times less than that of the sun. 107 times lesser than the moon, the sun. See dear students, Earth is fifth largest planet in the sun's family, and the approximate diameter of Earth is 4 times greater than the moon, and approximate diameter of the the Earth's 107 times lesser than the sun. Have you got my points? Yes. So dear students, the total geographical area of the Earth is 510 million square kilometers. 510 square kilometers. This is the total geographical area of the earth. This is what we call the total geographical area of earth. See, there is a 510 square kilometer is the total geographical area of the earth. Square kilometers, ಚದರ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. And which 361 million square kilometers covered by water. In this 510 kilometer, I mean 70% of the land covered by the water. 70.78 70.78% covered by water. See, dear students, listen here. It means 361 million square kilometers. 361 square kilometers covered by the water on the earth among the 510 square kilometers. It means 70.78% of the land purely covered by water, and remaining 149 million square kilometers. 149 square kilometers covered by land. It means 29.22%. 29.22%. That is land or earth. Thus, the earth has unequal distribution of land and water. So, the figure here, dear students, please listen this figure. It tells us there is no equal distribution of water and land. There is a discrimination of distribution observed here. Thus, there is a varying of water and earth distances. So, the ratio between the land and water bodies is 1:2.43. 1:2.43. This is what we call ratio of distribution of water and land. Water and land and the earth. This is the ratio. 1:2.43 is the ratio of land and water bodies. See, dear students, the earth's shape is often described as a geode shape. Geode shape. See, the earth shape often be described as geode shape, which literally means, see dear students, which literally means, please observe that one. See, Earth is fifth largest planet in Sun's family. Diameter of the Earth, diameter of the see dear students, now we know something about the size of the earth and distribution of water bodies. See, the total ratio is 1:2.43. And now we are going to discuss It means earth shape. Earth shape. It means earth shape. And oblate shaped. The earth is flattened at the poles and bulbs at the equator. The equatorial diameter of the earth is 12,756 kilometers. The equatorial diameter. Serious students. The equatorial diameter. This is called equatorial diameter is 12,756. 12,756 kilometers is the equatorial diameter of the earth, and polar diameter is 12,714. Polar diameter, polar stations, 12,714 kilometers. That is polar diameter. And equatorial circumferences 40,076 kilometers, and polar circumferences 40,008 kilometers. The difference of 68 kilometers in diameter is the proof for regarding the geode shape of the earth. That was the proof for and tells for the earth geode shape or earth shapes. And the land bodies on the earth, are known as continents. The land bodies of the earth are known as continents. See, dear students, shall I rub this one? Okay. See, dear students, the land bodies of the earth is known or called as continent. See, this is the definition of continent or meaning of the continent. The land bodies of the earth is called as continent. See, dear students, on this earth there are 7 continents are there. There are 7 continents are there. On the earth we can see totally 7 continents. 7 continents are there. Namely, Asia, Asia continent, and Africa continent, and another one is North America continent, and the 4th one is South America continent, and the 5th one is See, these are called seven land bodies we can observe on the earth. So these seven land bodies are called as continents. So totally there are seven continents are there. Namely, Asia continent, Africa continent, North America continent, South America continent, Antarctica continent, and Europe continent, and last one is Australia continent. Are you got my points, dear students? See, the continents are already I told to you land masses of large size. Continents are land masses. Land masses of large size. Large size. They are called continents. And see, in the same thing, the Asia is the largest continent in the world. Asia is called as the largest continent in the world. I mean biggest continent in the world. And this is in large size. And Australia is the smallest continent. This is called smallest continent. Which is the smallest continent? Australia is the smallest continent. Smallest continent. And the large water bodies on the earth are called as oceans. Shall I drop this side? Okay. See the large water bodies. Bodies called as oceans. See the large water bodies called as oceans. And there are four major oceans on the earth. There are four major oceans. There are four major oceans. Namely the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean. That is the largest water body on the earth. And another one is the Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean. And third largest water body is, that is Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. And the fourth largest water body and the smallest water body is Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. See, the Pacific is the largest and deepest ocean. The Pacific Ocean is considered the largest and the deepest ocean. Which is the largest and deepest ocean? that is the big water body on the earth, biggest water body on the earth. And while the Arctic is the smallest and shallowest ocean, smallest and shallowest. This is smallest and shallowest. Shallowest ocean. This is what we call Arctic Ocean, called as smallest ocean and shallowest ocean. The Pacific Ocean is called as the largest ocean and the deepest ocean. See, dear students, these are the four major water bodies on the earth. And the land and water bodies are unevenly distributed between the northern and southern hemispheres. The northern hemisphere has 60% of land and 40% of water. The northern hemisphere. The northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So, the land and water bodies unevenly distributed between the northern and southern hemispheres. Because northern hemisphere has 60% of land and 40% of water. 60% of land and 40% of water. See, where we observe that there is a 60% of land and 40% of water. Therefore, it is called as land hemisphere. This is called as land hemisphere because it has 60% of land and 40% of water. That's why north hemisphere called as land hemisphere. And on the other hand, there is a 81% of water. 81% of water and 19% of land consists southern hemisphere. That's why southern hemisphere, and so it is called as the water hemisphere. This is called as water hemisphere because it has too much of water. So this is land hemisphere because of it has too much of land. See, in this way, land and water bodies are distributed between northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. There is no even sharing distributed between two parts of the earth. See, that's why the southern hemisphere called as water hemisphere and the northern hemisphere called as land hemisphere. See, this is totally what we call continents and oceans of the world. In this way, our continents and water bodies distributed properly. Okay, these are all the several aspects that today we are discussing. Okay, dear students, I hope that you all understand all those things. If you have any doubts, please ask to me. Okay? Yes. See, dear students, now I am going to once again give you several aspects about today's class. Dear students, today we are discussed several aspects of names of the different names of the earth and the size of the earth and distribution of water on it and continents and oceans of the world. These are all the aspects today we are learned. Okay. Now I am let it stop here and remaining things will be discussed on next class. Thank you. Thank you very much.